Hello and welcome back. In the last videos, we looked at how we can map our log data sources to the MITRE-ATT&CK framework using the DeTTECT tool. However, we skipped over scoring, and actually scoring is quite important, especially when it comes to data quality, and really forms the basis for some of the other functions that the tool can provide for us. So to start off, we need to look at the data quality scoring, and the DeTTECT tool actually provides us with 5 dimensions to do that. Device completeness, data field completeness, timeliness, consistency, and retention, and then provides us a matrix of how we can actually score on those. Now these will be entered in the DeTTECT editor. As you're adding your data sources, you would give them a score, and that really forms the basis for the next part, which is visibility scoring. Now the visibility scoring actually takes the data sources and the data quality scores that you've given, and it auto-generates a score based on the coverage against the specific MITRE techniques. So you can go through, manually edit these in the file. I'll show the YAML file shortly. But basically it's a score from none to excellent. And as an example, if we look at the attack navigator, this is a sample file. You can see here that we have a legend in the bottom right. Actually, I think my face is covering that. But if we look at some of these, say credential stuffing, you can see that has a score of 2, and it lists the data sources that are there. If we look at something here, we've got a score of 1. Over here, we've got a score of 4, and we've got DNS as a data source. So quite important that we get the scoring on the data quality first, make sure we get that accurate and well done. Then we generate the file which will give us our visibility scoring, which is auto-generated, but we can go back and adjust that. If we have a quick look, so for this technique, T1016, System Network Configuration Discovery, you'll notice that we currently don't have a detection score, or it's -1, which is effectively none, so we've got no detection. But we have some visibility scoring here. So we have Windows workstations with a score of 3, and we have some Linux servers with a score of 4. And you can see that the Linux ones have been added a bit later, and the comment there is that we've connected the internal DNS to Splunk. So as you go through and you keep adding data sources, you can regenerate this file and get a better score, and then reevaluate your visibility. Now, detection scoring is a manual process. It's not auto-generated. Again, they give us a couple of methods of doing this. One, just a score against a description, or a score by aspect. So to do this, you basically go back into the YAML file here, look at each of your techniques, and then, with an understanding of whether or not you have detection in place, you can give that a score, create the layer file, and then import that into the attack navigator and get an idea of how well you're able to detect some of these MITRE techniques. So I hope that's been helpful. As always, please like, subscribe, and click the bell to get any notifications. Thanks for watching.